Welcome back to the channel. What's up, Keith from KDEZINES? Today is your day, brother. I'm going to install the rear seat delete in the Black Widow. They sent me one that actually matches the interior. We're going to try to do an in-depth install. Some of this stuff you may already know, and that's fine if you already know it, because today is our day. So let's go. So we need to start by removing the rear seat, obviously. This very minty rear seat. And no, I'm not selling it. I'm going to keep it in case I want to put it back. So for that seat bottom, if I remember correctly, you push in on the bottom and then just pull it out. So that's what we're going to do right now. Kind of tell this has never been out of here. Clearly this is a seat that has never been used, basically. You can tell, look, there's no imprints, fabric's not worn, still the original color. I mean, granted, there's not any leg room back there anyway, so that's probably why it's still minty. What I'm doing here is I'm gonna remove the carpet back here first, and then we'll get to that up there. It's held on by 4 screws, looks like. Just slides up like that. Okay, so that's all. So if we don't have a number 11, then a 7/16 works for these 2 bolts, or I should say nuts.
So there's 2 more on each side?
Yeah. Oh, actually, there's 4. Oh, 4. Should be 6. And they would be different sizes. It's crazy. So I think those are 10s. This is turning into an adventure. I may have to consult you for this. There we go. It's holding it in. I have to take out this bolt here, and then the one bolt on the other side in the same spot. So God forbid that I should ever have to put this seat back in. Yeah, if I have to, I have to. Man. I'm removing the seat belts and this bar, so if I ever want to store something in here I can, and the bar won't be in the way. All right, so what I'm doing now is I'm trying to get a game plan on how I'm going to do this. So right now I'm looking for the instructions, but looks like Keith did a great job in matching the color of scarlet red. I mean, look at it. I mean, it's perfect. So we'll see more once we get it installed. Good packing job, Keith, too. All right, so now we're gonna install the rear seat delete kit from KDEZINES. It comes with all the instructions that you need to be able to install this in 10 steps. The instructions appear to be very clear and concise, so we're gonna follow those instructions and see how things turn out. I know that I installed SVE sound deadener, and so because of that, I'm going to leave out the factory sound deadener and just go with the SVE sound deadener that I installed. First step, we gotta remove these brackets and then turn them 180 degrees and reinstall them as it states here. So everything is clearly labeled. And because of the material that it's made of, you really don't want to over tighten these screws because you will strip it. That was step number 3. It says then place panel A in rear of car through hatch. Very snug fit. Snug fit, that's good. You said you want to be sure and have this back as far as possible. Place panel B into the vehicle. The metal brackets, these 3, will slip underneath panel A's edge. These are the front supports on both the driver's side, have this label, and the passenger side. Once we get them in, then we have to put the provided screws in as well. Tight fit. One side should be flush with the underside of panel A, and the other side they flush with the existing metal bracket located in the spare tire area. be my only suggestion in the instructions would be to attach this last bracket to the A panel first. That way when you put the panel in and you want to attach it, you can just drill straight through rather than having to try to go underneath to screw this screw upward. So I'm gonna figure out how to get this in here. Congratulations, rear seat delete kit is complete.